Ciao, Chef Marco here with Grand Western Steaks. Today we have a Grand Western Angus Reserve 6-ounce filet. We're gonna take this 6-ounce filet and we're gonna slice it in half to make 3-ounce medallions. Just add salt and pepper. Next step, sear the steaks. And add your steaks to the hot oil. Now that the steak is seared on both sides, you're gonna add some peppercorns, chopped shallots, mix that around. Adding your cognac on an open flame, make sure you take your pan off and place it back on. Some heavy cream, some fresh herbs. Once again, fresh herbs today are thyme, sage, and rosemary. As the cream starts to simmer, you're gonna incorporate some butter to finish the dish. I would say about a tablespoon should do it. Always taste your sauce to see if there's enough salt and pepper. We're ready for plate. Place a couple of roasted carrots, some grilled zucchini, some garlic roasted potatoes. Take your filet, place it on top. Take that beautiful peppercorn sauce and just spoon it right over the top of the steak. Garnish with some herbs, and you're ready to eat. For more information and recipes, visit us at grandwesternsteaks.com and follow us on social media.